All right, so if I was starting out like tomorrow on a business, then there are two books that I would recommend that I would tell myself to read, which I have read, and I hope you would read too if you think about it. The first one is called Built to Sell by John Warrillow. And this book is fascinating because he really looks at the business and he talks about real world case study, and it's actually really an interesting book even though it's a business book. He talks about productizing your services. He talks about the negative cash flow cycle that you get in if you do a bunch of work for a client in advance and get paid at the end. So you're financing all those other specialists that you're bringing in for months while you build this website or this product, and that's a negative cash flow cycle for you. And he talks about packaging up even if it's just services, if you're doing services or you're selling a product, but packaging it and pricing it in advance, because people are conditioned to pay for products in advance, not afterward. And so that one sort of positive cash flow cycle is like a critical concept, I think, that would be great to start off with. The second book is called The Referral Engine by John Jantsch. And that book is fascinating because it's about building a business that people love to refer. And you talk to most small business owners that are successful, and they'll tell you their best marketing is word of mouth referrals from people. And so if you build your business in such a way that people are wired to do referrals, right? When you're walking down the street, you want to know what restaurant to eat at or get directions, people want to help. And so it's really important that you approach your business in a way where not only do you make it so that the expectation is that we want to provide such great service that you're going to want to tell your friends about us, but then even asking for those referrals. So those two books I think would be worth gold to somebody who's kind of starting a business.